We are back with your favorite green-haired mannequin. If you all are wondering what this mannequin is or what's from, it's my Joker tutorial. So just go on YouTube. You're here already, but after you watch this video, just type in Joker, the salon guy, and you'll see this. Does your hair just lay flat? Well, I've done videos about this in the past, but I don't think I've ever mentioned or brought up this specific topic of why your hair could be just flat all the time. Because it's too soft. Now, that's not necessarily a bad thing, but let's take Asian hair, for example. It's usually, for the most part, pin straight. It's very thick, but when you run your fingers through it, it's just super soft. And especially if it's longer, you kind of have two things working against you. If you're looking for a hairstyle, it's got tons and tons of volume. What is soft hair? What does that really mean? It means that when you run your fingers through it, like this, almost like you're petting, it feels just really, really silky. If you brush your fingers through it like this and it just falls right back down exactly into place, it's very soft. If you run your fingers through it and try to get some volume and texture and it just lays flat and nothing really has no hold to it whatsoever, it's too soft. What makes your hair too soft? Now, this might sound like a bit of a contradiction, but you know, certain shampoos and conditioners are designed to make your hair, everyone's so concerned with making it feel soft and silky and smooth. That's great if your hair feels bad, but if your hair is already in phenomenal condition, sometimes trying to use, smoothing shampoos, certain shampoos, it's gonna make your hair get way down and even silkier. So you need to make sure that you're using products that help build volume, right? My hemp set is great. My pure shampoo and conditioner, that set is great because not only is it conditioning your hair, but it also has ingredients that help promote thicker hair growth and does help add volume to your hair. So what do you do then if your hair is too soft, right? So blow dry your hair. I would suggest using something like Tidal Wave as a pre-styler, not a whole lot, maybe 4 or 5 spritzes, and blow dry your hair. And the reason is because Tidal Wave or sea salt spray, excuse me, has a little bit of that like beachy texture, that almost grit in your hair. So what you're trying to do is you're trying to do the opposite of super soft and silky. You want it to have a little bit of grit to it. I'm not saying it's going to be super dirty or disgusting, but really that's going to help. It's going to help, almost like second day or third day hair. That is going to help keep your hair in style. It's almost like if you go, and most of you guys may not have experienced this, but if you're a hairstylist, or you're watching this and you're a female and you went to prom or whatever it is, or a wedding, whatever, and the hairstylist says, don't wash your hair the day of because it makes it too soft. The hair is just gonna flop down. There's no, it needs some sort of, something that's lived in, maybe a day or two more. That's when the style is gonna hold best. That's when it's more, you can maneuver the style and you can maneuver the hair a lot easier than when it's just gonna flop down, all right? So think that even though you're cleaning your hair and your hair is freshly washed and everything, using Tidal Wave or another product I'll share in a minute, using something like that, you're trying to get it to be like second day hair. So that's gonna help. The second option is when you fully blow dry it, use something like my product Talc, which is the powder. Same thing, it's designed to add a little bit of grit to your hair, a lot of texture, a lot of volume, but it's binding the hair together instead of making it super soft and silky, which you can put all the product in the world if you want, but if it's counteracting what you're trying to do, it's just gonna flop down like this, right? A dry shampoo is another great option throughout the day, or even for styling it right away. A dry shampoo helps give some texture to it. It helps kind of, even though it's cleaning the hair, it does make a light kind of coating on the hair, so that does help, and it gives it a little more texture and pliability, again, so the hair isn't just super soft and flops down. So I hope you found this video helpful. I don't think I've ever talked about this, but that could be one of the biggest reasons why your hair is just always coming down, because it's too soft. So be careful with overdoing it with oils or things like that in your hair, because if you're looking for a hairstyle to get a lot of volume, that's not really gonna help you, especially if you're overdoing it. Let me know in the comments below if you found this video helpful. Stay safe and healthy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time for more videos with The Salon Guy.